Unleashing the power of GPT, the AI that's changing the game. In a world where possibilities are limitless, one artificial intelligence has emerged to reshape the way we interact with information, think creatively, and inspire new ideas. Join us today as we delve into the extraordinary capabilities of GPT, the AI powerhouse that's changing the game. 1. The rise of GPT. Every journey begins with a humble origin. GPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is the brainchild of OpenAI. Born out of extensive research and development, GPT has come a long way since its inception. Initially trained on vast amounts of text data, GPT has evolved into a true language model capable of understanding context, generating human-like responses, and assisting users across diverse fields. 2. Empowering creativity. One of the most fascinating aspects of GPT is its ability to unleash the power of human creativity. GPT has revolutionized content creation, helping authors, artists, and designers generate fresh ideas, refine their craft, and overcome creative blocks. Whether you're a writer seeking inspiration or an artist looking for new perspectives, GPT is here to amplify your creative potential. 3. Enhancing productivity. GPT isn't just limited to the creative realm. It's also a valuable ally when it comes to boosting productivity. From generating code snippets and assisting with data analysis to providing expert insights and automating repetitive tasks, GPT streamlines workflows and empowers professionals to achieve more in less time. Discover the productivity revolution that GPT brings to your fingertips. 4. Transforming education. Education is the foundation of progress, and GPT is transforming the way we learn. With its vast knowledge base, GPT acts as a personal tutor, providing explanations, answering questions, and guiding learners on their educational journeys. Experience the power of personalized learning and witness how GPT is shaping the future of education. 5. Enabling innovation. Innovation is at the heart of every technological breakthrough, and GPT is leading the charge. GPT fuels innovation by assisting researchers, scientists, and engineers in their quest to solve complex problems. From drug discovery and climate modeling to designing revolutionary technologies, GPT is unlocking new possibilities and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. In a world that's constantly evolving, GPT has emerged as a driving force behind progress, creativity, and innovation. Join the movement, unleash your potential, and be part of the AI revolution.